guys, today we are making homemade soap. First, we are going to pre-mix our essential oils. This is only an optional step if you want your soap scented. Here, we are mixing our tea tree oil into our scented soap mix. We are putting 50 drops of each of these oils into our oil mix, but you can add as many or little as you want. Now, you will need to pour 436 grams of distilled water in a container. Remember, if you use something like a mixer or a bowl for making soap, it cannot be used for anything except for soap making ever again, especially if you're handling lye crystals. We need to pour exactly 436 grams, so 440 won't do any good. So I'll have to scoop out some water. There we go. 436? Yes. Okay. Okay. Now we need to add 500 grams of coconut oil. We are adding a whole bottle of coconut oil because it's exactly what we need. Okay, we will now add the olive oil. In the original recipe, we put 754 grams of olive oil, but that soap comes too soft. So we will only add 500 grams of olive oil and add shea butter to make it slightly harder. And because the olive oil is 500 grams and the shea butter is 250 grams, that almost equals 754 grams, which was our initial measurement. So it all equalizes out in the end. Add lye or caustic soda. We need 167 grams of it. Add the lye into the distilled water and mix with a stainless steel mixer. We used a wooden chopstick since we don't use it for eating. Remember to add the lye into the water and not water into lye. Also, here's a helpful tip. Add the lye to water outside because the lye, when activated, produces fumes. Check if both the lye and the oil solutions are both around 110 degrees before mixing them together. When adding the lye, pour it down the side of the mixer so it goes down slowly and does not make bubbles in the mixture. Again, please make sure you're wearing gloves. When you are mixing the two solutions, try and mix them both slowly at first. Don't forget, if you use a mixer or anything for soap, it is permanently only allowed for soap making. Now, we will add the scented oils we mixed earlier into the soap. Then, continue to mix. We're adding this vitamin called B12, which is naturally pinkish reddish, but it is also good for the skin. But we use it, and you don't really have to use it. You want to get the soap batter to a point where you can trace your own name in the mix. This form of the soap is called trace. After we get to the trace, we can then put our soap batter into the molds. These are our Easter egg and flower molds. Putting the soap mix into the molds, you just want to leave it in a cool, dry place for a whole night. This is what the soaps look like after one night. You'll get a better view of the soap once I peel it out. And here it is. This is our flower mold soap. This is our egg soap. Just in time for Easter. With our extra soap, we made some little dog paws.
Now we have to place them into a container and leave them there to cure for 6 weeks. Thank you and goodbye.